one time, nagsimba kami, nakalimutan ko kung saan. Tapos parang feeling ko gusto ko na siya.
Scars, they mar your life, and those words now hurt inside.
Niligawan niya ako.
Ay, ako wala ako. Paano ba? Lagi kami magkasama araw-araw. Sa kanya ako nagsasabi ng broken-hearted stories ko. Tapos, ayun, binantayan na niya ako.
Binantayan mo?
I've never known your pain, so I can't really say that I feel you. And the words you need to hear have never been sincere.
Yung kasal na lang yung kulang.
Now they hurt you, but you can trust me.
Ewan ko, feeling ko ready na ako. Kasi 10 taon na kami magkasama. Yung blessing na lang ni God yung kulang. So, feeling ko ito na yan.
And I will show you the words you need to hear. I love you. Your pain just stays the same. So I